Hey guys, welcome back to Digitalized, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Binance wallet. Alright, let's get started. So here let me go to the website of the official Binance website. Alright, so here let's click on the first step. So here you can see this is the official Binance website. So here a guide is given on how to deposit money. So this ZAR is a currency of a certain country. So let's go over here, and here we have the both of the version or website or application. So first let's head on to the website version. So here what you have to do is log into your Binance account first and go to wallet. So here you can see go to wallet, which is fiat and spot, and this is also an option for deposit and withdraw. So here what you can do is you can just click on buy crypto and select online banking as well. So here select ZAR on currency and then choose to pay via bank transfer and click continue. So if you haven't completed the identity verification for your Binance account, you'll be prompted to do so at this step. And on the fourth step, what you have to do is enter the amount, and then what you have to do is just click on continue. So here you'll see a unique reference code and account details you'll need for deposit. So what you have to do is enter the correct code or your deposit will be rejected. So here you can see you have to link your bank account like this, and here the sixth step is to log into your online banking portal and make payment with account details provided in the previous step and enter your unique reference code. So once you do that, you'll be able to deposit your money to Binance. Now let's head on to the application version. So here open your application, and here you can see you have the option to deposit your currency. So here choose bank transfer and enter the amount that you want to deposit. Again, your mobile banking or online banking will open. So log into the online banking portal and make payment using the account details provided in the previous steps. And that's it. That is how you will be able to transfer money to your Binance wallet. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.